The science of habit stacking, building positive routines. Want to build life-changing habits without the struggle? Here's a science-backed trick used by top performers: habit stacking. Stick around to learn how to make good habits effortless and automatic. Imagine waking up, brushing your teeth, and automatically doing 10 push-ups right after. No resistance, no thinking, just action. That's the power of habit stacking. By linking new habits to existing ones, you bypass willpower and make productivity second nature. 11 tips to master habit stacking. Start small, attach a tiny habit to a well-established one. Example: take a deep breath before opening your laptop. Use existing routines, stack habits onto things you already do daily, like drinking water after waking up. Keep it simple, one action at a time. Example: read one sentence of a book before sleeping. Set a clear trigger, tie your new habit to a specific cue. Example: meditate right after making coffee. Make it enjoyable, attach new habits to something you love, like listening to a podcast while jogging. Use the 2-minute rule, start with just 2 minutes of the habit to reduce friction. Be consistent, repetition strengthens neural pathways. Stick to the same sequence daily. Visualize success, picture yourself performing the habit with ease. Stack similar activities, combine habits that naturally fit together, like reviewing your goals while journaling. Reward yourself, give a small reward after completing a habit to reinforce motivation. Track your progress, keep a habit tracker for accountability and motivation. Why habit stacking works? It leverages the brain's natural pattern recognition. It eliminates decision fatigue, making habits automatic. It builds momentum with micro successes. Which habit will you stack first? Comment below and let's create unstoppable routines together. Subscribe for science-backed self-improvement hacks. Hit like if you found this useful, and share with someone looking to build better habits. Disclaimer: this content is for informational purposes only. Always consult a professional before making lifestyle changes.